Hey everyone, this is Rami again with Setline. Today we're going to go over PDF detail. How can we use the program to help us bring in multiple PDF pages or singular PDF pages and save us some time from doing it hyper manual, which is extremely time consuming. So first thing first, we go up to the ribbon, press Setline, press SheetAgent. That will open up the panel, bring it here. Again, this is a pure empty drawing. There's nothing in it. So we're going to go in step by step. We go to PDF details. Let's start the timer. We go to PDF details, and that will open up the palette. Palette is very similar, but it's distilled down just because we don't need it all. We don't need all the functionality of single VP in this case. And let's not confuse PDF details with actual details, which is construction details. Construction details, the best place to use those, and to be honest, is single viewport. You just simply create them or just use single viewport and have one single VP Max where you can move it and use the free tool that we've showcased before and then just go over your details and that will put it together for you. So first thing first, as usual, we go in and we import title block. It's going to ask us, hey, where is your title block at? And I'm just going to put it here and bring in the title block. Okay, you can see it and now you know it, that it's going to create our layout, which is the underscore title block, which is our canvas 2 here. We're just going to page setup quickly. In this case, I don't have any, so I have to import one. Okay, sorry for the time. So now we have our title block and we have nothing in. Set VP size, we're just going to simply select the area we want to use. Since this is a detail, we typically use the entire page since there is no north arrow, no support viewports such as legend, keynotes, key maps. It's just a title block with which is just full of details. Next is support blocks, just the name. So we have something, right, to name it, or the program to use. It can be added now or later, as we've seen in single VP. So simply fill them up. It's just going to come in empty. And the next step, as usual, is configure attributes. And we configure it. So now we have it green. It's so easy, so simple. We go to model. It's empty again. There is nothing in the xrefs, just the drawing, which I don't even have a name for it yet. And the title block, we've just added it. So what do we do next? We go in and we simply press import PDF. It is fast, but we're gonna spend a little bit of time seeing it doing stuff. So I'll fill in that blank and just speak about it. So first thing, when you select it, it's gonna read the document and it's gonna tell you, okay, this is the document name, which is the GI in this case. This is I'm not going to bore you with which this document. This is from SFPUC here in San Francisco. It's just a document showcasing their details for green infrastructure. It has 107 pages. Do you want to use them all? Do you want to use a range or do you want to pick? So all, it's simple. It uses 107 pages of the document and bring them all in. Range, this is when you want maybe from 1 to 50 or 10 to 25, any range you like. Pick, this is if you want to just select pages. So, and it's comma delineated. I'll show you how we use that when we add more, because 107 is not enough. So we're gonna go all of it. It's gonna take a little bit. If you guys are familiar with PDF details and how to import it, you have to go page by page, bring them one by one, xref it one by one. So what the program is currently doing in the background, it's doing exactly that. It's quicker than manual. Believe me, I tried it. And the reason why I created this function is because I finished a planning project. And when we start construction document, the city asked us to include condition of approvals that they've issued, which seemed weird for me personally, because you issued those us. Why do we need them? But Apparently that's a standard. Cities like to see the COAs. It took me 30 minutes to include 12 pages. To sort them out, and of course they were not like exactly the same, so I had to draw like arrays and stuff just to make sure everything is sorted properly. So now in 4 minutes, including setting up the title block and everything, now we have 107 pages in. We have them sorted. You can see them there, exactly the same visual. Now next is simply build it. And it's gonna ask you about the name. Civil engineering usually use C7 or C8 for details. Again, each company is slightly different, so you can use D if you like. For this, doesn't really matter. Let's call it C7 because I like to use my standard as a practice for me. And 01 is my number. Details, I'm gonna just name them details, and it's just building. I really don't know how many sheets it's gonna build, to be honest, but it's building very quickly. So it built 27 detail sheets. They're all set. They're named detail 1, 2, any number we care. Scale, it's 1:1 because these are 1:1 scale. So it did not change our scale. It's not gonna make them smaller or bigger. Pages by pages. You can see the spacing, they're the same, all the way to 727. What happened if we want to add more? So let's add more, because 107 pages might not be enough. So import PDF, and simply is going to ask you, do you want to add or you want to replace? We're just going to add in this case. I'm just going to bring in some letters from PW, which is just their standard specification. Also San Francisco, and it's similar to before. It's gonna scan it. It's gonna tell us the name of the PDF here in the command prompt. It's gonna tell you how many pages detected, and it's gonna ask us what do we want. And for this one, I'm gonna show you a pic because that might be useful. Again, it's comma delineated, so every time you put a page, you need to add a comma after it. So let's go with 2, 5, 9, 15, I don't know, number between 1 and 49, 27, 36, I feel like I'm buying lottery ticket here, and 49. Okay, so it's just gonna bring them in page by page. It's gonna sort them, make sure that they're spaced out, and adjust them for us. And if we're happy with this, we simply press update. It's going to ask you, do you want to continue numbering, or this is a new detail you want to skip? Just going to continue. And it just added them for you, or for us in this case. So now, what if we want to delete stuff? What if we want to delete these two? Well, let's delete these 3, just because I want to show you how the program will reshuffle it for us. So now we deleted these 3 here. We should have deleted those because these have nothing. But anyway, and let's simply press reshuffle PDF. It's gonna ask us, do you want to reshuffle 1100? Wow. 111 pages into 29 compact bundles. You can simply say yes or no. And I'm gonna say yes just to showcase it. And it's gonna auto build it afterward because it's reshuffling it. And just a few seconds in, so you can see what it did is basically found space, move these empty pages here so we don't end up with like one sheet here, one sheet there. It's never gonna mix them. It's not gonna mix 2 pages. So if you have 2 documents, it's not gonna mix the 2 documents. There is guards against that. But as far as you're within the document itself, you can delete, you can add, and basically that's it. If you want to add it to SheetSet Manager, same. You just add it here. SheetSet Manager, we can do it together here. Drawing unsave, yes, we need to save the drawing for sure. That's a CAD. It's gonna ask us, do you wanna have or select, let's say we have already a SheetSet Manager for this project, and do you wanna add to it? We can do that. Or we can do new. Let's do new just so we don't break it. It's gonna ask us what's the sheet name. Let's say example, and it's gonna ask us where do we want to save it. Let me move this so I don't bother you with my messy files. And let's put it in documents just so it's a little cleaner. Okay. And then it's going to ask us, do you want to add the subset? We can say, sure, create, that's C7, right? And do you want to proceed to sync? Yes, please. So now it just added 29 sheet set. And just to double check, it's here. Open example, and they're here. So you delete something here, you simply come back and press sync. Oh, it's going to sync it. It's going to remove it for you and basically just save you a few minutes here and there on manual adding or deleting sheets in Sheet Set Manager. But that's it. That's this whole tab is about. It's simply just saving you time from manually inserting each PDF by PDF. Hopefully you enjoy it, and we'll see you in the next session. Thank you.